Hello and good afternoon. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Please, if you can hear me, just drop a comment so I can proceed. I apologize for joining 12 minutes late. I have this bad habit of not um, subscribing on my phone, and sometimes my router just disappoints me. So, I'm expecting the comments so I can know when to proceed. This is going to be a faceless video, a faceless training, and I'm going to be sharing my screen. And it's also going to be a stage recording that you can always go back to later. So please just let me know if you can see my screen. So just drop a comment so I can proceed. I know that there are people here. Thank you. Okay, so in the hopefully um, everyone has joined, though I'm yet to see any comments, but I'm just gonna hope that everyone has joined and that you can hear me. I'm just avoiding going ahead to talk and nobody can hear me. So I would have liked some feedback that you can hear me at the moment so I can know how to proceed. All right, I've seen the comments and I think I'm confident enough. Yeah, it might sound better now because I have to mute the other device. So please let me know if my sound is better so that I'll be sure that it's safe to continue. Hmm. I don't know why. I'm literally in the office alone and there's no noise here, so I don't know where the noise is coming from. Okay, maybe I should join on my phone and that will be better. So please, I don't know why you can't hear me, honestly, or why there's a noise. So let me see, joining on my phone would be better. Okay, this is joining from my phone. Please let me know if that is better. Which one? Just now, I can see people here. Please let me know if that's good news or trading. Is the sound better? Can I go on? I'm not just talking and you can hear me. Continue.
Hmm, I don't know. I would really like to get some feedback to know if I should proceed. Okay, I am just going to go on. Hopefully, it might be the network lagging from your ends because no one is responding to me, right? I'm just worried that I might just be talking and nobody will be, hearing what I'm saying. But I hope that the sound is clear now. So, we're going to be talking about a number of things, as you probably have seen in the description of this stream. I'm going to take it step by step and try to be as detailed as possible. If there's any question that you might have, just drop it in the chats. Just comment your question and I will address it immediately, right? So, I'm probably going to share my screen so you can see my notes. And okay, thank you. I'm probably going to share my screen so you can see my notes, but I would really appreciate it if you could listen because that's like, what is most important, that you're actually paying attention to everything that I'm going to be saying, right? So, the first thing we're going to be talking about, don't mind my notes, is just, where I type things real quick. We're going to be talking about professional communication, timeliness, and KPI expectations. Now, I don't know if we had a meeting when you had your onboarding or if you had a meeting with a member of my team, but one of the things that you should have been told during the onboarding is the proper communication or proper communication when you're talking to both your employer and also you're talking to clients and customers alike, right? So professional communication simply means speaking and writing clearly, politely, and respectfully. So every time you're sending a message, every time you're sending out an email, you should always ask yourself, you should always ask yourself, oh, is this message clear? Is this message polite? Is this message respectful? Okay. So when you're greeting or when you're sending a message to a client or whatever, the first thing is you must always greet. It is grossly unprofessional, and we are trying to make sure that we're professional. It's grossly unprofessional to send a message to somebody without greeting them first. Good morning, good afternoon, whatnot, right? Full sentences. That's the second most important thing. Do not abbreviate. Do not speak slang or text something that they might probably might not understand, right? Always try to make sure your sentences are full, you're not abbreviating, and finally, a polite close. So when you send your email, send your WhatsApp message, send your text, always make sure you close politely. And the universal polite tone for closing messages is just saying thank you. You can add yours faithfully, you can add any other thing depending on how formal or informal the message is, right? So that is how to properly text or email or send the WhatsApp message to clients or your employer. Then politeness and courtesy. One thing I always tell people is if there's a way you wouldn't like someone to talk to you, don't talk to anybody like that. Both people that are higher than you, on the same level as you, or below you, like in the professional level, right? So always use words like please, use words like kindly, use words like may I, use words like thank you. Your conversations or your conversations with people should not be sounding rude. They should not be rushed and they should not be demanding, right? So even if you're copying and pasting or even if you don't have time, you don't necessarily have to communicate or give that person that you're talking to the feeling that you don't want to be talking to them right now. Okay, so there's no need to be rushed, no need to be demanding, and even if you're about to demand for something, you have to do so politely, right? And also, you have to apologize when necessary. If you don't reply to a message on time and you know you didn't reply to a message on time,